The world is evolving. Digitalization is progressing rapidly, making many aspects of our lives more convenient. Energy efficient, sustainable living is easier than ever before. Together, we make this possible. Our solution? Sense by MACO. Smart sensors detect whether windows and doors are open or closed. These are quick and easy to install, either in production or during later use. Enjoy unmatched peace of mind. You can easily monitor the status of your windows and doors in real time from your smartphone, no matter where you are. Feel comfortable in your home. With Sense by MACO integrated into your Matter-compatible smart home system, controlling your heating has never been easier or more efficient. Let's build a sustainable digital future together.